Hello, kids. A very good morning to you all, and welcome to this new learning session. I hope you all are good and completing your work on time. Kids, before moving on to our today's topic, let's listen to a conversation between Jia and her aunt. Jia is a small girl. She wants to know more about plants. Hello, Auntie. Hello, Jia. How are you? Auntie, I am fine. Thank you. Jia, let's go to the market and buy some plants. Plants? Yes, plants. There is an open place in my garden. We shall plant some trees there. Do you know our planet Earth is called green planet due to presence of plants? Yes, teacher also told us that plants are very important. All living things depend on plants for various needs. Do you want to know more about plants? Yes, sure. Let's move to the world of plants. We see many plants around us. Auntie, see, these plants are small and have beautiful flowers. This is a herb. It has soft and green stem. Some herbs have beautiful flowers. Jia, what are you looking at? Auntie, this plant is very big. I want that orange. No, dear, you can't reach there. This is a big tree. It has hard and woody stem. Dear Jia, for understanding all these plants, we have classified them into different categories. They are trees, herbs, shrubs, climbers, and creepers. Now, let me tell you more about plants. Plants are of different shapes and sizes. Some are tall, some are short, some are weak, some grow on land, others grow in water. Trees. Trees are big, tall, and strong. They have a thick, brown colored woody stem. It is called trunk. They live for many years. Mango, banyan, and neem are some examples of trees. Shrubs. Shrubs are small plants. They have short brown colored, thin, woody stem. Stem divides many times to form several thin woody branches, making them bushy. So shrubs are also called bushes. They live for few years only. Rose, lemon, jasmine, and henna are examples of shrubs. Now let's learn about herbs. So, herbs are small and weak plants. They have soft and green stem. They live for few months only. Mint, cinnamon, spinach are examples of herbs. Climbers. Climbers are very weak plants. They have very soft stem and so they cannot stand straight on their own. They have spiral-like special structures called tendrils. Tendrils help them to climb a support like a rod or a tree. Money plant and grapevine are examples of climbers. Creepers. Creepers are also very weak plants. They usually bear big fruits. Pumpkin and watermelon are some examples. They have very soft stem and so they cannot stand straight. Also, they cannot climb a support. So they creep along the ground and spread on the surface of an area. Aquatic or water plants. Children, aquatic plants are the plants that grow in water. They usually have hollow stems and poorly developed roots. Lotus and water lily are examples of aquatic plants. Now kids, I just hope that you have understood about different types of plants. Now it's time for some homework, and here is your homework. Complete the following sentences with suitable adjectives and answers. So I hope you enjoyed today's session. That's all for today. Thank you.